For decades, the US dollar has been the most dominant currency in the world. Most commodities like gold and oil are valued in dollars, regardless of the location, and most countries depend on it to function. But over the last few weeks, the dollar's value plunged, hitting some of its lowest lows in years. The world is panicking, but Trump doesn't seem to care. In fact, he thinks it's great. But why is this happening? And why does this problem excite Donald Trump? Several recent events have pushed the dollar downward.
China, first row. China, 67%. That's tariffs.
Trade tensions. President Trump's threats of trade wars against European countries and potential tariffs have created significant downward pressure. Then there's interest rate policy. President Trump has been pushing for lower interest rates. While that reduces borrowing costs for you at home, it also reduces how much investors get from holding US government debt. So they take their money elsewhere, and because fewer people want to bank in the US, demand for the dollar drops, making it less valuable globally. Trump himself has indicated he's comfortable with the decline.
No, I think it's great. I mean, the value of the dollar.
But these remarks undermine the risk that global investors will look elsewhere. This uncertainty adds more pressure on an already fragile US economy that has seen almost no job growth in the last 6 months due to trade wars and immigration crackdowns. There is a significant silver lining to a weaker dollar. It makes US exports more attractive. Things we build here, like cars and airplanes, become cheaper for the rest of the world to buy. This is a key part of the Trump's economic agenda. For decades, the US has run a large trade deficit, meaning we buy way more from abroad than we sell. A weaker dollar helps fix that issue, making American goods more competitive globally. But on the flip side, it makes imports way more expensive for American consumers. This is happening while tariffs are already increasing inflation. Furthermore, the US has about $38 trillion in debt, much of it owed to foreign countries. A weaker dollar makes it significantly harder to pay that back. While the dollar is rebounding slightly in the short term, as some tariff threats are walked back, the uncertainty lingers. We may be entering a strange era where the economy and stock market stay okay, but the dollar does not. De-dollarization is a real fear. And while it takes time to play out, it is already underway.